In the realm of user experience, UX design, the battle for creating the most intuitive and powerful prototyping tools rages on. In one corner stands ProtoPie, a veteran in the field, known for its flexibility and robust feature set. In the other corner, the new challenger emerges, Apple Vision Pro, boasting cutting-edge AR integration and the might of the Apple ecosystem. Join us as we delve into the feature sets, strengths, and weaknesses of both ProtoPie and Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just a battle of features, it's a clash of philosophies and design approaches. So, buckle up as we explore which prototyping tool might reign supreme for your design needs. ProtoPie, the feature-packed powerhouse. ProtoPie has carved a niche as a feature-rich prototyping tool favored by experienced designers. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Unmatched flexibility. ProtoPie offers an expansive library of interactive components, animation effects, and data binding capabilities. This allows designers to create intricate prototypes that mimic real-world app interactions with exceptional detail. Platform-agnostic. Unlike Apple Vision Pro, ProtoPie isn't restricted to the Apple ecosystem. Designers can create prototypes for iOS, Android, web, and even desktop applications, making it a versatile tool for cross-platform projects. Advanced features. ProtoPie boasts features like variable management, conditional logic, and integration with external APIs. These features enable designers to create complex user flows and test different scenarios within the prototype itself. Imagine crafting a prototype that seamlessly transitions between an onboarding screen, a dynamic product list, and a secure checkout process. ProtoPie empowers designers to achieve this level of detail and interactivity. However, with great power comes complexity. ProtoPie's extensive feature set can have a steeper learning curve compared to more streamlined prototyping tools. Apple Vision Pro, the enchanting AR upstart. Apple Vision Pro is the new kid on the block, but it brings a unique proposition to the table: augmented reality AR integration. Let's delve into its strengths. Seamless AR integration. Apple Vision Pro leverages the power of ARKit to create prototypes that can be overlaid onto the real world through an iPhone or iPad. This allows designers to test how an app will function within a physical environment, built for the Apple ecosystem. For those deeply entrenched in the Apple design world, Apple Vision Pro offers a smooth integration with other Apple design tools like Figma and Sketch. This streamlined workflow can be highly efficient for Apple-centric design teams. User-friendly interface. Compared to ProtoPie, Apple Vision Pro boasts a more user-friendly interface. This can be advantageous for beginners or designers who value a simpler prototyping experience. Imagine showcasing a furniture app where users can virtually place a couch in their living room to see how it looks before purchasing. Apple Vision Pro's AR capabilities make such interactive prototypes a reality. However, Apple Vision Pro's current limitations are noteworthy. Its feature set is still evolving compared to established tools like ProtoPie. Additionally, its AR focus limits its application to projects that can benefit from AR integration. The decisive clash, choosing your champion. So, which tool reigns supreme? The answer, as in most design battles, depends on your specific needs and preferences. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Choose ProtoPie if you need a feature-rich tool for complex prototypes. You design for multiple platforms beyond the Apple ecosystem. You value granular control and advanced features like variable management and data binding. Choose Apple Vision Pro if you're primarily designing for Apple devices and the AR functionality is crucial for your project. You prioritize a user-friendly interface and a streamlined workflow within the Apple design ecosystem. You're a beginner in prototyping and appreciate a less complex tool. But here's the beauty of the design world. Why not consider both? ProtoPie can be used to create the core interactive flow of your prototype, while Apple Vision Pro can be used to add a layer of AR magic for specific elements that benefit from it. Do you think the future of prototyping lies in ever more complex tools like ProtoPie, or will user-friendliness and niche functionalities like AR take center stage? Beyond the battlefield, the future of prototyping. The battle between ProtoPie and Apple Vision Pro highlights the ongoing evolution of prototyping tools. Here are some exciting trends shaping the future of this landscape. AI-powered prototyping. Imagine AI assistants that can generate basic prototypes based on your wireframes or user flows. This could streamline the initial design process and free up designers to focus on more complex interactions and functionalities. Voice-controlled prototyping. The rise of voice interfaces like Siri and Alexa paves the way for voice-controlled prototypes. This could be a game changer for designing voice-activated apps and smart home devices. Real-time collaboration. Imagine multiple designers simultaneously working on the same prototype in real time. Cloud-based prototyping tools with robust collaboration features are already emerging, fostering a more collaborative design approach. These are just a few glimpses into the future of prototyping. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative and intuitive tools that empower designers to create seamless and captivating user experiences. The creative crucible. Bridging the gap between tools and design thinking. While powerful tools like ProtoPie and Apple Vision Pro empower designers, it's crucial to remember that the tool itself doesn't guarantee a successful design. At the heart of every great user experience lies a robust design thinking process. Here's how design thinking complements prototyping tools. Emphasize user research. Before diving into prototyping, a strong understanding of your target user is essential. User research helps identify pain points, user needs, and desired functionalities. This informs the design direction and ensures the prototype addresses real user problems. Rapid iteration. Prototyping tools facilitate rapid iteration, allowing designers to quickly test and refine their ideas. This iterative process allows for constant feedback loops and ensures the final design is well tested and optimized for user needs. Communication and collaboration. Prototypes are powerful communication tools. They bridge the gap between designers, developers, and stakeholders, fostering a shared vision and ensuring everyone aligns with the user experience goals. Imagine conducting user interviews, analyzing their feedback, rapidly iterating on your prototype based on their needs, and finally presenting a refined design solution to your team. This is the power of design thinking working alongside prototyping tools. Choosing your weapon. It's all about the user. Ultimately, the best prototyping tool is the one that best suits your specific project needs and design preferences. Consider factors like team size, technical expertise, project complexity, and desired functionalities. Don't be afraid to experiment. Many prototyping tools offer free trials, allowing you to explore their features and see which interface resonates best with you. Remember, the most important aspect is not the specific tool, but the user-centered approach to design. Use prototyping to gather valuable user feedback and iterate on your designs, ensuring your final product is intuitive, engaging, and meets the needs of your target audience. So, are you ready to unleash your inner design warrior and craft stunning prototypes? We hope this exploration of ProtoPie and Apple Vision Pro has equipped you to choose the best fit for your design journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the ever-evolving world of UX design. Let us know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a prototyping tool, and what are your thoughts on the future of prototyping? Together, let's shape the future of user-centered design.